that how you can promote your page to get more page likes and even more engagement. So let's get it started. Go to Facebook from your mobile phone. Click on this hamburger icon. You can see your pages here. In case you haven't yet created a page, you can go to create and create a page. It could be jewelry, it could be boutique, it could be your own personal blog page, it could be travel, anything. But make sure that you have a page because only pages can be promoted. So we go to this XYZ boutique which we had created last time and even had uploaded one cover image. So in case you haven't yet created, you can create one. So let's go to ads. Go to create ad. Now since we want to promote our page to get more page likes, so right now we will choose promote your page. We are choosing the goal which we want to actually fulfill. Now by default it will show you one ad preview of the image you already have added on your page. But in case you want to change the image, you can go to edit image. For example, I have already selected some images. So say for example I want to put this image, let's say. Done. Also if you have a video, you can promote the video as well. Go to save. So you can see your ad preview here that we are promoting some image. In case you want to change the preview how it looks, you can still go to edit and change the image here. Say for example this. So we've selected one image in which there is some lehenga pattern and you have a text here, connect with XYZ boutique. Maybe you want to change the line, you can change. Save. And automatically it will have this like button out here on the right so that people can like the page, because that's what our goal is, that more people see and more people like our page. So now we've created the ad. Now you will have to choose the audience that whom we really want to show our ad. You have to go to create new. Give a name to your audience. Let's say we want to show it in Udaipur. So I'm putting it Udaipur women. Now you'll have to change the region. By default it is showing United States. You can change it to Udaipur. Interest. So who would be interested in our ads? People who are women, people who are into fashion, people who like shopping. So let's say we have taken some interest called shopping and fashion. You can also choose more interests depending upon shopping or behavior. You can check people who already are into clothing, who are into online shopping, people who are engaged shoppers, people who like dresses. So you can actually put a very niche audience out there. Also you can select the age group whom you want to show your ads. Let's say we want to show our ads from age group 30 to 40. So 30 to 40 I have chosen and I've took it strictly to women so that this ad doesn't even appears to men's who are using Facebook. So only women on Facebook would see, and that too specifically from Udaipur and who already have liked some pages related to shopping, fashion, and who are engaged shoppers who already shop online. Save this audience. Once you have saved this audience, now we have to justify that what budget we have. Of course, since it's an advertisement, so you will have to pay. So you can choose your own budget. Minimum it is saying that you need to pay at least 76. Let's say we put it 80. Now it is also showing you estimated reach, that at least 763 people daily would see your ad. It would lie between 763 to 2.2, like 2200 people daily. So at least 700 people would definitely see your ad. Now you can also run that for how many days you want to run this ad. Let's say we just want to run it for 2 days. 2 days. So of course 80 rupees into 80 into 2 days, which is 160 plus tax, which is 18% of GST. So you have to pay to Facebook 188 rupees to show your ad. And then you can also, here it will show you your name and then it will ask you to add money. So you can add money. It will show you options that how much you want to add. Let's say I want to add, since it's 180, so let's say I want to add 200. It will show you the payment method, that how you want to do it. You can also do it via credit card, debit card, net banking or Paytm. So here just you have to choose the option and all you have to do is promote page. So it will directly, your ad would get started. It will go under review and your ad would get started. That's how you can achieve more page likes. Of course, when more people will see your page, more people will like it. So of course you cannot expect that if 763 people are seeing your ad daily, all of them would like your page. But at least 50 to 60 people might like your page, and that's how you can increase your page likes. And also if you have started posting some daily updates, you can also promote them as well using Facebook ads from your phone.